Oh, it's a doggy.
I love doggies. I'm my favorite.
You like doggies, Jeffy?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's
Wait, what?
creepy. That is creepy. He's a dog.
Oh, hell
What?
no.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh, what's wrong with this dog? What is wrong with that dog,
was on his
Jeffy?
pee-pee. Did you see that?
No, he didn't have a pee-pee, Jeffy.
Yeah, that he does. He was blocking it with his face.
Jeffy, if I had this... Yo, that is the creepiest shit I've ever seen in my goddamn life, Jeffy.
No, that was weird, Daddy.
I've never seen anything creepier than that.
Daddy, can our dog walk like that?
No, Jeffy, if we ever get a dog like that, we're putting it down.
Aw. Alright, Daddy.
I'll take him to the back like old Yeller.
Oh, shit.
He's gonna yell real loud.
Like this? Ah!
No, Jeffy, like,
Ah!
sure, Jeffy.